Hey guys, it's Justine and we're back in the new studio with the first TV unboxing, and I cannot wait because this is something that the studio needed. We really needed a new television to brighten up this space, and I could not be more excited because this is one of the new LG QNED mini LED TVs. I did see some early prototypes over the years of mini LED TVs and I can't wait because guess what? It is here in the studio and we're gonna unbox it and set it up and check it out. And I was kind of just like walking around the box, checking out the specs, seeing what I can see. Look, this is the new Magic Remote with NFC. Thanks to LG for sponsoring this video and giving this new TV a wonderful new home. I don't think I've even cut the tape. I've just cut the box. Some assembly looks to be required. Oh no. Oh boy. Okay, yep. Oh, I just missed trash day. Yeah, I'll just, that's nice. All right, little TV that is not so little. Welcome to your new home. All right, so it looks like I may need a small assist. It was a little heavier than I thought. Well, the legs are on. I think I'm actually gonna set it up right here on this desk, and this can be kind of like the studio TV.
We can do it right in the middle.
Oh my. I also just realized in the intro that I didn't tell you guys that this is an 8K television. Oh, there's another sticky. Satisfying. So we have it all set up, it's plugged in. I can't wait to see what this thing looks like. I am interested to see how this NFC remote works.
Press the OK button, wheel, on your remote. Volume, 15, 19, 20.
Whoa. Oh my gosh. LG's deep learning technology can enhance image clarity and resolution according to, whoa. I definitely heard a huge difference. See if you guys can hear a difference. This is without the Sound Pro turned on. Whoa. That's incredible. So I connected my TV to the ThinQ app, which connects all of my other LG devices together, like my washer, my dryer, my LG styler, and even my vacuum. So I can actually get a notification on my TV when my clothes are done in the washer or dryer. I know, pretty awesome. I think now it's finally time to watch something. Whoa, this looks absolutely, oh my God. Like, I've done a lot of video reviews on TVs before, but like actually sitting here and seeing the freaking future. So this is my first mini LED TV, and this type of TV tech just recently started rolling out into the mainstream. We've pretty quickly evolved from CRT to the backlit TV using LCD and to OLED with self-lighting pixels. The difference with mini LED is that they are about 1/40th the size of a regular LED. There's also greater control over dimming zones, leading to much deeper blacks and a higher contrast ratio than other types of LED TVs. It is really difficult to show you how incredible this picture quality is through a YouTube video, but having this be my first experience with a mini LED TV, I'm absolutely blown away. These colors are so incredibly vibrant, and the thing I love about HDR is it really does give you that just impressive color range. Like these blacks, that actually doesn't even look like the TV is on. Like you don't even see anything. I'm even so close to this TV, but like the detail, everything is so crisp. Like I can watch this TV from here. I mean, you probably shouldn't do that, but I could. One of the things I love about smart TVs is all of the built-in apps apps. It's really cool because this actually does have Apple TV built in, so you can enjoy all of the Apple TV content. There's even LG Fitness, and of course you can install any of your favorite streaming services. Even the remote now has Netflix, Prime Video, Disney Plus, LG channels. It has Alexa and Google built directly into the remote. And I love the new NFC feature, so you can share content directly from the remote to your TV. We can also do AirPlay directly from our phone to the TV. So I'm gonna AirPlay a piece of content, just a little knife fight action, no big deal. I love that I can just talk to my TV by pressing this little microphone button. I can change settings, I can adjust the volume, and I can even fix a leaky faucet. How do I fix a leaky faucet? Oh yeah, I'm gonna fix that leaky faucet. Maybe even, how do I get rid of ants? Looks like some of these people have even more issues than I do. Set volume to 10%. Pretty cool. Thank you.
I look up thank you in YouTube.
That's not, okay. The viewing angle is also pretty impressive, so even if I'm like kind of right off here to the side, like you're still gonna be getting an incredible view of this TV. Hey, Tyler, can you hit the lights real quick? Oh, this is a cinematic viewing experience if I've ever had one. This is just what the studio needed. Ooh. The entire design of this TV is beautiful, with minimal bezels and a super slim design. With its quantum dot nanocell display, full array dimming, using the Alpha 9 Gen 4 processor 8K, this gives you an immersive viewing experience. It also features Dolby Vision IQ and Dolby Atmos for the best-in-class HDR. And as a creator myself, I love when a TV has a filmmaker mode. This turns off motion smoothing and preserves original aspect ratios, colors, and frame rates that the creator intended. With HDMI 2.1 and Game Optimizer, you'll get the best viewing experience with picture quality that optimizes depending upon the genre of game you're playing. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna put a link in the description if you want to check out more information about this TV and all of the amazing things that LG has to offer. And with that, my friends, I will see you in the next video. And I'll just be right here watching TV. I love watching TV.